Hello everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Windows 11 26H1, even on a PC that does not meet the official hardware requirements. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for UUP-dump. Open the website and click on Windows 11. Select version 26H1. Choose the version that does not contain the word preview. Next, select the x64 architecture and click Next. Choose your preferred language and click Next again. Since I only need Windows 11 Pro, I will uncheck the Home Edition. You can enable Include Updates if you want the latest updates integrated into the ISO. To save download time, I will leave this option unchecked. Keep the default download method and click Create Download Package. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. If you are using Windows, run the file ending with .cmd. Press R to start the script. The script will now download all required files and automatically create the Windows 11 ISO. The download speed depends on your internet connection. Once the process is complete, press 0 to exit. As you can see, the Windows 11 ISO file has been successfully created. You can delete the remaining files and keep only the ISO file. For safety, I will move the ISO file to drive D so it is not accidentally deleted. Now I will right-click the ISO file and select Mount. Open the mounted drive and copy all files. Create a new folder named Windows 11 and paste everything into that folder. Next, I will create a registry file to bypass Windows 11 hardware checks. Save the file as labconfig.reg and make sure Save as Type is set to all files. Now hold the Shift key and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. Type Notepad and press Enter. In Notepad, click File and then Open. Change files of type to all files. Browse to the Windows 11 folder. Right-click Setup.exe and select Run. As you can see, this PC does not meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11. Now switch back to Notepad using Alt+Tab. Locate the labconfig.reg file. Right-click it and select Merge. Confirm the registry changes. Return to Windows Setup. Now the hardware check has been bypassed successfully, and the installation can continue. Proceed with the installation. If you want a clean installation, delete the old Windows partitions carefully. Please be very careful at this step because deleting the wrong partition can cause permanent data loss. To create a local account quickly during setup, press Shift plus F10. Type the command shown on the screen and press Enter. Continue the setup process and enter your username. Windows will now complete the installation. After reaching the desktop, adjust the display resolution if necessary. Now let's check the Windows version. Open Settings, go to System, then About. As you can see, Windows 11 26H1 is installed successfully. Because I disabled Include Updates, this is the original build version. You can now open Windows Update and install the latest updates. Windows is successfully downloading and installing the newest updates. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you install Windows 11 26H1 successfully. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to RS Computer Solutions. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our latest technology tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.